want a metronome?
No. But he doesn't hear, so I'm gonna be his metronome.
Okay.
Call that family division.
Ouchie.
Playing with my heart like Activision. Shit on me. Trigonometry.
Trying to get high school to record a math rap video. I'm just going to share with you the setup. So we're going to be recording everything on the iPad. I've got a Zoom H6 recorder. You can use GarageBand here. I've started one already. A beat from YouTube and I've put it in here. Here you can listen to it if you want. Didn't expect this. We got fire drills, so we got to kick out. I'll go to the emergency exit. Oh my God. Okay, we are back from the fire drill. So if I just go to GarageBand, I can show you this. And what I've done is at the top, I've dropped whatever the beat's going to be for the songs. And I'm going to record the audio. How I record the audio is I'm using an XLR dynamic mic. And then I've got my Zoom H6. And then when you connect this through an adapter, because it's the iPad Pro, it's got USB-C. So any adapter will work, any dongle, USB-C dongle. This just connects via a USB-A into USB-B, this port here. So as long as you've opened up GarageBand, it will pick it up. Just a card reader or audio interface. We want to go down to audio interface. I'm going to click on audio interface, and then it's going to say stereo, mix, or multi-track. I'm going to select stereo. So I'm just going to go ahead and do PC and Mac. Now you can see if I tap this, let me just talk into the mic. You can see it's picking up here.
His drip ice cold like Canada.
So here's the thing, when the kids are speaking into the mic and they're recording their bars, their lyrics, they need to hear the track that's playing. Now I can't play the track on a on a speaker or like a Bluetooth speaker because it's going to interfere with the pickup. And so track 1 plays through the audio interface on these headphones.
Get your jitters out of the way.
The Wi-Fi is
So here on my audio recorder, the output is going to the headphones. Now if I click that on, the headphones are on. It means that they can hear that audio playing through my audio recorder. I can go ahead and add a new track. What do I want to add? I want to add the audio recorder. So now I've got this track, I've got a new track here, empty track that they can record with. Okay, so I've got my headphones on now and I've picked up the mic. Okay, so you can see that I'm recording here. Now for the kids, I'll probably just use a mic stand and stick the mic on the mic stand. That way you get consistent audio feedback. I'm still recording here, so let me go ahead and turn this off. I really just wanted to use an XLR mic to pick up the audio really clearly. You can do all of this without using the Zoom H6 recorder, using an XLR mic. You can just simply use GarageBand, and that really doesn't require a tutorial. Alright, so this is it. We done the rap video. Let me just press play.
Working on quadratics, my behavior is erratic. Doing maths on automatic, yeah, I'm thinking systematic.
So this is basically what we've done. We recorded all of this.
Timothy's rapping really well.
And the kids had fun, and that's the most important part. Have some fun, incorporate some technology into your classrooms. Just give it a go, basically. Give it a go, and let me know how it goes. Just feedback in the comments below.
Yo, half it, square it, stick it back in.
Just remember, always have to be squared.